Oh hey, welcome back to another video. Today I will give you a nice short video. I really do not want to wash my hair today, so I'm going to postpone it. And since I have a nice little itch for some color, I'm going to grab some of my temporary colors that I have used in my past videos, check the link for them, and create something cute and very simple. So if you want to know how I transform all of this massive hair into something cute and easy and fun, keep on watching. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to spritz with water, untangle, and create 2 flat twists on this side. So normally with flat twists or with 2-strand twists, when you let it go, it starts to curl up and get thick and stuff like that, as you can see. So all I'm going to do now is just twist it. Okay, not too tight. You don't want to cause bumps or anything. But I'm going to bobby pin it here so that this can stay in place. And as you can see now, it's good to go. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Okay, so now that the flat twist is done, I'm going to do the same thing and bobby pin this to the side. Perfect, okay. And all I did was just cross them. So now what I'm going to do is grab some of that ocean color and add that to my hair to make this vision come to life. Honestly, I wanted my hair out into a fro and add the color, so I'm going to do just that. I'm going to add another color to my hair by Crown Paint Color. So I don't have much left, you can see, but I'm going to use all of it to just add some highlight to this blue, give you another option if you like to be creative colorful, bold, and all that good stuff. So let's see how this turns out, shall we? Okay, so this is the finished result. As you can see, I have that yellow, blue popping out on there. I didn't have enough yellow to do my entire perimeter, but you can definitely see the yellow up on top and just a little bit mixed in. Other than that, this is the finished look. The rest of my hair in the back, it's fully black. Let me turn around. If you want to add some color to your hair, both of these brands have an amazing array of colors that you can choose from. Nice, bold, vibrant, natural. So make sure that you check them out. I will definitely leave the links down below to both of these brands. This video is not sponsored. I just love to play around with color and play around with my natural hair and see, you know, what else I can create. So if you like this overall hairstyle, if you like the hairstyle that I created in the beginning of the video where I just had the flat twist and the high part, if you like the flat twist with my fro out without any color, if you like the flat twist with the fro and the color, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. They go together, okay? If you hit the subscribe button, you gotta hit the bell so that you never miss another upload. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you, and I will catch you next time.